So this is my final project. It's called Falling Gems. So we're going to start by reading the directions. So as the directions state on the screen, the main objective of this game is to catch gems that are falling from the top of the screen using a bucket that you can move from side to side using the left and right arrow keys. The user is only given 60 seconds to play the game to catch as many gems as possible. You can exit the directions by hitting the Done button. There are two levels in this game, the easy level and the difficult level. The main difference between both of them is that with the easy level, the gems are falling from the top of the screen at a slower pace than they are with the difficult level. We're going to start by playing the easy level. As you can see, I can move the bucket from left to right, and the score of how many gems I have collected is displayed at the top right-hand side of the screen in order for the user to be able to see how many gems they've collected. There's a timer at the bottom left-hand side of the screen that shows the user how much time they have left in playing this game. Now, if I let the game end, which happens whenever a gem reaches the bottom of the screen, I have two options. I can either play again or go to the main menu to choose a different level. I will play again. The game is going to also end if the timer reaches the count of 0, as the user is only given 60 seconds to play a game. Now I can just click that to the menu at any given time when I'm playing a game, and I can go to a different level. And as you can see there, with the difficult level, the gems are falling from the top of the screen at a much faster pace. Now that is my game. Thank you.